Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Fun channel. In our last tutorial, we saw how to view the records. In this tutorial, I am going to teach how to edit the records. So let's back to my codes. This is the code for the edit button and delete button. Here these two. Okay. Here this is the title for first name, this is the title last name, course. After the course title, this edit. Here these ones. Okay, you must understand this stuff, the coding stuff. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. After that, you can see next to the title, you can see the M data. This one M data I am set it to first name. This is coming from the old reg. This one old registration form. I am bring the data to index file, index page. Here I bring the data from this old registration form. Here this one will be the Ajax. I explained this in my last tutorial. This ID will be unique. This ID I am going to pass into the edit form and as well as a delete. Okay, let's see how it's work. Here when you click edit button, what happen is here right click and go impact. Here you can see here what's the ID here, IUB1. Okay, 1 mean here this one. If you select this data, you are going to be edit or delete. This particular record will be deleted because the ID will be unique. Here if you click this one, here this one 11 this one, I'm going to edit. If you right click and check the ID, here 3, here you can 3. This is the record you are going to edit. Okay, that's why I am bring the ID to here. This ID I am bring from the old registration form. Okay, now what happen is the ID will be coming successfully. Here I check it whether ID is coming or not. If you want to check, you just right click the button, right click on the button and click impact. Easily you can check the ID is successfully working here. Okay, you must check here, set it here ID as this variable, then only it's coming. Okay, I explained this stuff in my last tutorial. If you not touch before following this tutorial, you must watch that tutorial and come here. Okay, if you not watch my previous tutorials. Okay, now let's back to my index page. Here I wrote the button, this one success button. After that I create one on click method. I just wrote the function get project and details. This one this function I used. After that this data M data mean this, so M data mean this ID. What is the ID you are going to here select? This particular ID will be coming here. Okay, there's something like that. Here this ID here. On click get project method. What is the ID you are selected? 5 will be there. Okay, now the ID will be displayed successfully. What's the name of that? The button name edit here. Edit here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to when the user click this button, the particular ID will be go here and particular record will be showing. If we will be able to edit. Okay, let's see how to do the task. Okay, let's create the function again. I already wrote the code. That will be easy to do that. If you write again by again, it take too much time. I wrote the code for here. Copy and go and paste it here. Right, this is the code. This is the function I wrote. This is the function name here. The same function name I wrote here, and this ID. The ID mean which ID is coming here. This ID. What is the ID you select here? What is the record you select here? The particular ID will be passing to here, so that the particular ID, what is the parameter, what is the ID you are clicking is coming here, the board data coming here. Okay, coming here. After that, once you open the function, you must close it. After that, within the function, I wrote one Ajax function here. Ajax, it consists of three types. One is a type. I use the type. What is the type I use is post. For the URL, edit, return, I am using the URL. This is a URL page. Type JSON, key and value. JSON mean key and value mean this is the key, this is the value. Okay, that's the thing. I said it, key and value. That's how we can bring the records to here. Okay. After that, data, project ID. I will be explaining this stuff later on. Okay. Before we are going to edit the records, we have to bring the records into the form here. So first, what I am going to do is here, I am going to create the edit return form. So click sample3, right click, new file. Here we have to give the same name here, edit return .php. Same name you have to create. So we already written the connection statements. We no need to write again by again. Let's copy and paste it. After we close this one, PHP. After that, I'm going to write the codes. So I'm going to write the code like that. Statement. Equal connection. Prepare. Here we are going to write the select statement. Select ID, comma, first name, last name, course from records, record table where ID equal question mark. Why is the ID coming here? Okay. After that, what I'm going to write is here, I'm going to write project project ID equal to write the method post. Here I am going to put it as project ID. After that, I'm going to write here as the statement bind param. Here I'm going to write one is here project, this one, this variable I'm going to put it here. That's it. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the statement variable again, bind result, this time result. Here I'm going to write ID, comma, first name. Instead of writing, you just copy this one from here to here. You have to paste it here. Variable, this one will be the variable, this one will be the variable. Okay. Now here select ID, first name, last name, course from which table, records table. Here we have the ID. Okay. What's the ID you are clicking? Here what happens here? You back to form coding. Here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? If you click here, here, what's the ID you are, you're going? if you click particular ID, if you click particular this ID will be 17. Coming here, after that passing to here, after that here it is sending to this form, sending to this form. After that it's coming that ID, particular ID will coming here, and it will be select ID, first name and last name, course, and all the record will be displayed for that particular ID. Okay, it is look like this. You just copy and paste into SQL query. You can check like this. Here 17, you can check like this. If you execute, go, you can see this is the particular record will be displayed. So it's successfully displayed. Now here I'm going to after that I'm going to create the variable project ID. This is the post method, and this is the post. I wrote the project ID. This one will be this. This is the data. Okay, what's the data here? The ID will be coming into, it is assigned to the project ID. It's coming here. Okay, this ID will be assigned to here, so that the what is ID here? If it is 17, it will be passing to here this project ID. Okay, now the project ID will be 70. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bind these records, ID, first name, last name, and course here like this. What are the records available? All are here binding, and after that what I'm going to do is here, after bind, you have to write one if condition. If statement execute, here you have to write while statement here I'm going to fetch the record, fetch, using the fetch. Here I'm going to write within the while I write one variable output equal array, here writing this one ID and write ID like this variable. After that I'm going to copy this one, field. This one will be the first name, this one will be the last name, this one is the course. You have to write here course. That is the only thing you have to do. Okay, this one will be the key, this one will be the value. Okay, this one will be the binding values. We have to assign to the key ID, the same name you have to assign. Okay, this value will be stored this one here, this key, this value will be stored this key, this value, so on. Okay, now successfully we have to fetch the values to this key. This key will be go to our index form. Okay, so after that we have to write the close statement, close. Everything you have to complete it. You have to, before you have write the statement, you have to write this one as well. Echo JSON encode. You have to write the output. Right, successfully. After that you have to close statement. Write the close. Successfully we have to run the things. Now what happen is we have to fetch all the values and set it to the keys. Here this particular key is coming to here, coming to the index form. After that, this will be the project ID. The ID will be passing here. The first name, last name, and course name. This is the form text boxes names. Here is the first name will be this text box name, last name will be this text box, course name this text box. Okay, this text box name, this text boxes names. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to assign the values. Here this one will be coming from the here, this one will be this one, the course one will be this course key. Okay, it's setting this successfully. Now it's setting successfully. After that, show to which form. This all are setting to show which form we have to show. Form project is where it is here. This is the form project name is showing to here. Okay, this form. So let's do the task. If all are correct, if you click this edit button here, this will be passing successfully. If you click this one will be passing successfully. In this tutorial, we successfully passed the record into this particular forms. If you click edit button, the particular record will be passing successfully. After that, you will able to edit the records. If you are able to edit and click save button, the particular record will be updated. That is a task. We will do it in my next tutorial. I hope you guys understood so far. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me.